I'm doing a review for this tool set. It has 36 pieces and recommended for ages 3+, and it needs 5 batteries to work the drill and the chainsaw.
It's for ages 3 and up. It comes with 36 pieces. It took 5 batteries about to get it to work. All we had to do to assemble it was put the batteries in. I wanted to show you some of the things. The saw spins, it doesn't take any batteries. Here's the different nuts and bolts that you can use these tools on. You can put them in these fake pieces of wood to kind of stick things together. It has this battery powered, it can be a drill, or you can snap the ends off. Gotta get it lined up right. And it can be a hacksaw. You can take this end off and put these other pieces into it to make it work, to do other jobs. The tape measure is inches and centimeters. It does take a little work to find the right way to spin it to get it back in. Face mask, goggles. These were a little tight on my 6-year-old, but he still got them on and had fun and enjoyed them. And then the headphones for canceling the noise. This is the one that he was most excited about. It's a chainsaw, has a little protective end here, and the chain isn't a chain, it's like a soft rubber, so it won't hurt anything when you use it. What did it do? Any damage to the box?